Special Agent Fox Mulder here. First train video of the year, 2023. Finally, after some track replacement. We're not sure even we saw what sort of train we're going to catch. Could be the steel train, could be the doodlebug. Let's wait and see. We've got a red light further down the track. All the way down there he's got a red, so I'm not sure it's going to be the steel train. It could be the Frankston passenger train heading back towards Frankston. We'll just wait and see. I'm just keen to film a train. This here's a private rail crossing off Frankston Flinders Road. As you can see, we're quite well marked here. Bit of a curve for him to go around. In that direction is Frankston. In that direction is Stony Point. We haven't had any trains running for a while. We've had a couple, so I've got a little bit of rust off the track. The main concern was probably there was a little bit of dry grass along the side of the tracks, creating sparks. So, seeing as we're not all on fire, I'm assuming that's all good. Gumtree action here. You can see in Australia, they don't drop all their leaves at once. They renew their leaves and then they drop the old ones, so they're always covered. It's too hot here to be not covered. Also got a snowball tree over here, which is probably from a very long time ago. They're not native to Australia, the snowball tree. She oak. And if anyone can spot any koalas up there, they're better than me. There is koalas all through these trees. Couple of Hoss rail fans over there, waiting for the train. Got their cool coats on. It's humid here today. It's about 28 degrees. Roughly mid 80s Fahrenheit. Orange light. Ahoy. Okay, orange lowball. That means we could be getting a steel train. Fingers crossed. Green highball, all right. That means train coming. So I'm trying this new format, holding my phone horizontally to see if I can get it to be a full screen on the television. Thanks to Jennifer for the suggestion. I thought of holding it horizontally, but I thought that is way too simple. So we'll see how this turns out. Hopefully it fills up the whole screen for everybody. Blackberry is here along the side of the track, ready to pick, or getting ready to pick. It's a big animal, the blackberry, that one. Okay, doodlebug ahoy. Two carriages heading towards Hastings. He's got the green light. About to cross a couple of private driveways here. At cruising pace today. We've only just started trains, so we haven't really got the whip out on them yet. And we'll see if that highball down there, green highball, changes when he goes past. If it doesn't, that means we'll get a steel train. There he goes, red, bang. As far as I can zoom in, folks, he's probably about 1 kilometre away now, or half a mile. Cool. First train of the year from Special Agent Fox Mulder. Okay, let's wait for this steel train and then we'll end that video there. Thanks for watching. Punch the like button out, comment to the ambulance service, and get the subscribe button to take him to the hospital. Special Agent Fox Mulder out.